The meaning of prefix ad. The prefix ad comes from Latin and basically means to, toward, or in the direction of. It often shows movement or direction, addition, and connection. In this video, we'll learn words with the prefix ad in each of these three categories. So let's look at the first one. Movement or direction towards something. These words show physical or abstract movement in the direction of a goal, place, or idea. Here's our first example. Advance. Definition: to move forward or toward a goal. The picture shows a painting by Adam Albrecht, a Bavarian painter who accompanied Napoleon during the 1812 Russia campaign. It portrays Napoleon watching the fire of Moscow in September 1812. The sentence reads, Napoleon invaded Russia in June 1812 and advanced toward Moscow, reaching the city on September 14, 1812. He found it largely deserted and burning, forcing a disastrous winter retreat. So here, advanced means moving toward, and it's often used in the context of armies and military campaigns. Next, admit. Definition: 1. To confess to be true or to be the case, and 2. To allow someone to enter a place. Here's an example of the second meaning. We see a picture of Ozzy Osbourne, the lead vocalist and co-founder of heavy metal band Black Sabbath. The sentence reads, During Black Sabbath's Diary of a Madman tour in 1982, a fan threw a bat onto the stage. Lead singer Ozzy Osbourne, thinking it was a toy bat, bit its head off. Upon realizing the bat was real, he was immediately admitted to hospital, where he received a series of painful rabies injections. So here, admitted means being allowed to enter. The phrase admitted to hospital is a common collocation. Before we look at the second category of words with the prefix AD, a quick reminder. Continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Now, the second group of words with the prefix ad or ad refer to addition or increase, adding to something. These words express the idea of putting something onto or into something else. For example, ADJOIN. Definition: to add or place next to. The sentence reads, At Tate Modern Art Gallery in London, the modern Blavatnik building adjoins the former Bankside Power Station, showing how contemporary architecture can exist alongside a historic structure. So the Blavatnik building has been added or placed next to the former power station. Here's another example. ADORN. Definition: to add decoration to. The sentence reads, Marble columns, chandeliers, and elaborate mosaics adorn the Moscow subway, making many of its stations feel more like underground palaces than public transport hubs. So the columns, chandeliers, and mosaics are used to decorate or adorn the subway station. Here's the third category of words with the prefix ad. Connection or relationship, joining, sticking, directing attention to. These words focus on closeness, contact, or mental connection rather than movement. Our first example, ADHERE. Definition: to stick to, follow closely. The sentence reads, The World Health Organization website states that there is overwhelming scientific evidence to show that adhering strictly to hand-washing guidelines is the single most effective action to stop the spread of infection. So sticking to or following closely hand-washing guidelines helps stop the spread of infection. Here's another word. Advise. Definition: to give guidance to someone. The sentence reads, In the 1970s, Steve Jobs was advised by Mike Markula, the original angel investor, to focus on marketing and product design alongside engineering. This advice helped Apple grow into a tech giant. So Mike Markula gave guidance or advice. Note, an angel investor is a wealthy individual who gives money to startups, often for ownership or future profits. Now here's a pronunciation note. In many words, add changes its form to match the first letter of the root. This is called assimilation. For example, AD plus tract equals attract. Notice the D is replaced with a T. So let's review what we've learned. Remember, the prefix add simply means to, toward, and can show 1, movement, 2, addition, or 3, connection. The words we examined in this video were advance, admit, adjoin, adorn, adhere, advise. Look for opportunities to use these words in your conversation and add them to your active vocabulary. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.